Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix if Geometry Dash is crashing after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you're opening Geometry Dash and it's not working for you guys, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the setting. Now first of all guys, you have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet, then you have to scroll it down. Now from here you have to tap on general. From here guys you have to scroll it down, just simply have to go to transfer reset iPhone. From here you have to reset your network setting, because if you have any network problem after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is still exists there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on general. Also make sure that your date and time is correct, then go back and just simply have to go to iPhone storage. Now wait some second. From here guys you have to locate for the Geometry Dash. Here it is, just simply have to tap on that, just simply have to offload the app and then reinstall it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is still exists there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open the setting, then scroll down, then tap on general, scroll down all the way, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here you have to reset the all setting and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap and hold the app, and after that you have to remove the app from your iPhone. After removing the app guys, what you need to do is just simply have to sign out your Apple ID and then sign in your Apple ID again and try to reinstall the app again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.